Hi my dear students, are you happy? Okay, very good. Now we are discussing our 10th chapter, Very Far, A Little Far. Dear children, where we stopped in our last class? Yes, in our last class we discussed about the older means of communication. So say children, which are the methods that we used in our olden days to exchange messages? Yes, very good. With the help of pigeons, by using Perimpara, with the help of Dudan and Anjalotakaran. Okay children, so now you are familiar with the older means of communication, right? Okay. Shall we start our today's class? There were great changes occur in the field of communication nowadays, and these changes makes our communication faster, less expensive and more convenient. So, rapid changes occur in the field of communication. Before a few decades ago, radio was the only source of mass communication. Dear children, do you know what is mass communication? Mass communication is a medium of spreading over of information to a large number of people. Newspaper, television, radio, etc. were the medium of mass communication. Okay, my dear children, so let's see some of the milestones of communication. First one is newspaper. Newspaper is one of the most popular media of mass communication. It can bring us the important news from different parts of the world. It is also called as daily because we know that newspaper brings us news every day. Okay. So the next one is computer. We all know about computer, right? Dear children, from which class onwards are you studying computer? Yes, from your first standard onwards, right? Did you know who discovered the computer? Yes, very good. It was Charles Babbage who discovered the computer. So we know that computer is an electronic machine and which gives us audios, text, images, videos and all kinds of information. One of the most important feature of this computer is it can store the information and give it again as we require. And we can update the information constantly as we need. Okay. So the next one is telegraph. Dear children, do you know what is telegraph? Yes, a telegraph is a device used to send messages and information quickly from one place to another over long distances. Do you know who invented the telegraph? The telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse. Telegraph got the name from the two Greek words tele and graph. Tele means distant and graph means writing. Okay dears, did you understand about telegraph? Okay, so the next means of communication that we have to discuss is radio. Through this radio, we can hear the informations across the world very quickly. Dear children, do you know who invented this radio? Yes, it was an Italian scientist Marconi, who invented the radio. Okay, my dears, did you understand about radio? Shall we move on to the next means of communication? Okay, the next one is television. This television was invented by the American inventor Philo Taylor Farnsworth. Television got its name from the Greek word tele and from the Latin word vision. From this television, we can get the variety of programs such as news, knowledge, entertainment, etc. Okay, dears, did you understand about television? So, these are some of the milestones in our communication. Okay, my dears, I hope you understand the topics that we discussed on today. Now it's time for winding up our today's class. Okay, my dear, see you in the next class.